warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, मैं शुरू करती हूँ अल्लाह के नाम से जो बड़ा मेहरबान निहायत रहम वाला है। My prominent teachers and valued guests, today I would like to shed light about the importance of education. This is very important topic. I hope you will listen my speech carefully. My dear dignitaries, nowadays education is considered to be a gift of modern age, but in fact it is the gift of Islam, which was given 1400 years ago, because when the Son of Islam was enlightening the world was passing through the dark age of history. Ignorance was prevailing all over the world. There was neither a school nor a college or library that time. Islam laid down the foundation of education. Seeking knowledge is a sacred duty and it is obligatory on every Muslim, both male and female. As Allah Ta'ala says in Surah Iqra, read with the name of your Lord, who created everything. He created man from a clot of blood, who was taught mankind which he did not know. My dear audience, these are first verses of the Holy Quran, which was revealed to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam from Allah. The word Iqra, which means read, to seek knowledge, to educate yourself, etc. The importance of education. My speech in importance of education. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. My dear audience, now I feel like to conclude my speech. Praying to God, may Allah reward us with the gift of education. Amin. Thanks.